Good morning, student. Today we are discussing about the estimation of energy value of foods by the Bohm calorimeter. So the calorific value may be defined as the amount of heat liberated in calories by the complete combustion of unit weight material with oxygen and the condensation of produce to desired temperature. The calorific value of fuel may be defined as the amount of heat generated by burning 1 kg of fuel completely. Calorimeter is a device which is used to calculate the calorific value of solid, liquid and the gaseous fuel. So the Bohm calorimeter is a type of constant volume calorimeter which is used in measuring the heat of combustion of particular reaction, used to measure the enthalpy changes of combustion reaction at a constant volume. So this is the experiment diagram which consists of the small cup to contain the sample, then oxygen, a stainless steel bomb, water consists of stirrer, thermometer, then dewar, ignition circuit connected to the bomb. So for the estimation of this calorific value, the vessel is fitted with a tight screw tap. Then two electrodes are connected each other through a platinum wire. The wire remain in a platinum dipped cap just below it. Small amount of substances under investigation is taken in the platinum cap. Here is the substances, the electrode and the platinum wire connected to the electrode. The vessel is then fitted with excess of oxygen at a pressure of about 20 to 25 atm and is subsequently scaled. Then it is now dipped in an insulated water bath which is also mechanical stirrer and a thermometer to measure the temperature. So it is used to measure the calorific value of solid as well as liquid fuel. But to determine the calorific value of gas, one need to choose the Junkers calorimeter. The calorimeter consists of a thick-walled cylindrical vessel and it consists of a lead which supports two electrodes which are in contact with fuse and fuel sample of known weight. The lead also contains oxygen inlet valve through which high pressure oxygen gas is supplied. The entire lead with a fuel sample is now held in a copper calorimeter containing known weight of water. A mechanical stirrer is provided to stir the well for uniform heating of the water. A thermometer is also provided to measure the change in temperature of water due to combustion of the fuel in lead. A known quantity of fuel sample is added in the crucible. Then start the stirrer and note down the initial temperature of water. Let the current passes through the crucible and let the fuel sample to burn in presence of the oxygen. Heat released during the combustion of the fuel is taken by the water and hence the temperature of water rises. Note the final steady temperature of water. Then in this way this Bohm calorimeter is run. And here is some observation have to taken: the weight of food sample taken, weight of water outside the vessel, then initial temperature of water and the final temperature of water and the range or of rise in temperature. The calculations, the heat gained by the water and the calorimeter is calculated by calorific value of 1 gram of food sample into rise in temperature. Thank you.